Hi everybody, this is Brad. Today's tech tip is going to be about the Overdrive RLA, which stands for Overdrive Reciprocal Lending Agreement, which means you have access to 6 more consortiums worth of ebooks when you're looking for something to read or listen to. There is one big caveat there, is you have to search each consortium individually. So it's a bit cumbersome, but it is going to go a long way to making ebooks more available to you. So I'm going to show you how to add the consortiums in Libby because it collects all of your loans into your shelf. If you're using the Overdrive app, it's not going to collect them into your bookshelf, so it's a little more decentralized. But what you want to do first is tap the Libby icon in the top right, and then you want to add a library, and then search for another consortium. And I'm just going to do Boston and tap the result. And now you need to scroll down a little bit into this section here where it says add a card. And I'm going to say I'm visiting from another library. Choose Merrimack Valley and put in your card number. Sign in. And now let's check out a book. I'll just do this one. Tap borrow, borrow. And then if I go to my shelf, you'll see that I have a book here, right? So it's color coded. So you can see if I tap here, you can see it's going from Boston right there. So that's it. You have to add each one individually. You can see that I have 3 of them. I have Boston, CW Mars, and Merrimack Valley. And that's about it. If you have any questions, we have a fact sheet that you can grab at the library. And I will link to that in the description as well. Okay, thanks. Bye.